What it do, gang? This your boy Dro, and I'm back with another lit video. Guys, today is an exciting day. I will be doing the unboxing of my brand new phone. Um, this is a long time coming, guys, because it was my lease was up, and I decided to take another route. But anyway, before we get into the video, I need you guys to go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like this page, spam the comment section below if you're rocking with Team Dro. And if you're not watching my channel, what y'all doing? But anyway, guys, we're gonna get into the video. We're gonna do a little unboxing first. This is gonna be a 3-part video. I'm gonna be doing a comparison video. I'm gonna be doing a day in the life video. Because my currently phone right now, I have an iPhone 11, and it was time for upgrade. It's either between the iPhone 12 Pro Max or the Ultra. I ended up deciding to get the Galaxy S21 Plus. Guys, this phone right here is going to be a beast. I wanted the Ultra, but they was currently sold out on the 128 gigabyte. This is the box it came in. Just your basic Nessit stuff. The phone, the SIM card, the return kit, everything gotta go back. Anyway, guys, don't worry about that. Let's get into this phone. I didn't bring a knife. I don't know why, but I'm gonna use my key. I'm gonna unlock this. Do the best I can open this. I should have did this yesterday just to save time on a video. I know I'm a little behind with this phone because I know this phone came out probably back in January, and most likely they're making a new one next year. So, but I'm excited, guys, to go back to Samsung. I had 3 iPhones for a while now, and I had the 8 Plus, I had the 10s Max, and I had right now the 11. And the 12 and the 11 look the same to me, and iPhone really is getting a little boring. Okay, guys, here it is. S21 Plus, 5G. This is the back. They got rid of the power cable, the block to charge it, and it doesn't come with the earbuds. It's because, you know, they're trying to make more money at the company, so you have to buy this. Look at the glow on the box. Look at the glow. See that? Colors. There's nothing really fancy here, guys. Just a box. I'm gonna open it right now. All we have right now is Samsung, and we'll put the phone to a side for now. Nothing really much comes in here, just the box and probably some instructions, cable, instructions. That's it. Now, let's get to the exciting part, guys. And sorry for the background, looks a little blurry. I'm outside trying to do the video. Oh my God. Y'all, this phone is freaking gorgeous. This right here is the S21 Plus 5G. I got the silver variant because I like this flip color game they got on the back, guys. Look at this phone, guys. Look at this phone. I ain't even gonna leave the sticker on there, guys. I'm just gonna leave it there as it be. I'm gonna try to power it on the best I can and see if it comes on. I know I gotta put my SIM card in there, but most likely it's not gonna come on. So just power it on and see if it comes on. All right, guys. Samsung Galaxy is powering on. Also, guys, I got a case. It's just a regular killer case I ordered from Amazon. This is no more than what, 12 bucks. I'm going to end up getting a outer box soon, maybe a Spygen, but I just wanted something just for now. If you guys have any special cases that y'all think is better for the S21 Plus, go ahead, leave it down in the comment section below. And if you recommend any apps, because it's been a while since I had a Samsung phone. Like I said, I had 3 iPhones. My last Galaxy was the Note 8. Yeah. Also, guys, I bought a charging brick. This is a 25-watt charger. So Cause like I say, it doesn't come on in the box. But you know, guys, I'm very excited for this phone. But yeah, this is the S21 Plus. This has the 3 camera lens. The Ultra has the other 2 cameras on the side here. But you know, like I said, that's the one I wanted. But they was all out of the 128 GB, and I personally, really, I don't need a 256. So this right here would be perfect. But yeah, guys, that's just video for today, guys. Go ahead and make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, spam in the comment section below if you rock with Team Dro. I'm gonna get the phone set up, and I'm gonna test it out, get everything switched over, clear my iPhone out, and then, like I said, guys, I'll be doing a comparison video probably next week, and then I'll be doing a day in the life video with the phone itself. But yeah, you know, so just stick around for that. Like I said in my previous videos, I do have a mukbang coming, guys. It just every time I plan it, something else comes up. I haven't, and I think, guys, I'll be looking for a new car, guys, but I have stopped because it's almost August. We're in May now, and I'm just gonna wait till get my birthday and get a new car. So when I have more time, I take vacation. Because I have a couple cars in mind. I'm gonna take y'all with me on that day, so y'all gotta stick around for that video and see what y'all like. But go ahead, subscribe, like, hit that comment, hit that notification bell, and spam the comments below for Team Dro. And I'm out. Peace.